Good day, boss. Now, I'll share it with you. How to check a remote control that doesn't work. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is press the buttons. Just point it in front of your camera. You should see a blinking light while pressing the buttons. If there are no blinking lights, it is possible that the battery is low and needs to be replaced. Just remove the battery from the remote control and replace with a new battery. Just like that.
Okay.
Again, point your remote control at your cell phone's camera. There should be a blinking light. Boss, you can now use your remote control. Boss, I hope you liked my video. Thank you.